All right, we're back with example 2. Let's go ahead and get started. So it says, what is the temperature in degrees Fahrenheit F when it is 15 degrees Celsius? Use the equation F equals 9/5 C plus 32 and justify each step. So what this is this is a formula of how you can be given Celsius and then convert it into Fahrenheit temperatures. So that's what we're going to do. But this is kind of like a proof, right? So we have to show and justify each step. So first what I'm going to do is I'm going to write down all of the given information. So I'm given this formula. So I'm going to write that down. F equals 9/5 C plus 32. And then I'm going to comma. I'm also given F equals, oh, no. I'm given C. C is equal to 15. So what is the temperature in Fahrenheit when it is 15 degrees Celsius? So that means C is equal to 15, okay? So all of this is given. Then in my next step, what I'm going to do is I'm going to substitute this C equals 15 in here. And that's the only thing. I just substituted this given information for this given formula there. And so this is called the substitution property of equality. Okay? Now from here, I just need to simplify this information. So I'm going to look to cross cancel, right? Multiply, right? Whenever you're multiplying fractions, look to cross cancel first. So I can't do anything with the 9 and 1, but I can with the 5 and the 15. 5 goes into both of those. 5 goes into 5 one time. 5 goes into 15 3 times. From there, I multiply across. So I'm left with 9 times 3, which is 27, and 1 times 1 is just 1. So 27 over 1 is just the same thing as 27. So what I just did is I simplified. And then I'm just going to add 27 plus 32, which is going to be F equals 9/559. And that would be simplifying again. Okay, so what this basically says is when it is 15 degrees Celsius, that is the same thing as 59 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay, let's go ahead and try the next one. How about you try this one, okay? Go ahead and pause. Work this problem out. When you get done, make sure you write in a pencil, okay, just in case you get it wrong. You're going to have to erase it and rewrite it just how I do it. So when you get done, press play and listen to the whole explanation. All right, see you in a bit. Okay, we're back. Let's go ahead and get started. It says, what is the temperature in degrees Celsius C when it is 86 degrees Fahrenheit? Use this equation and justify each step. So this is the equation you'd use if you have Fahrenheit and you want to convert it into Celsius. So we're going to write down all the given information first. There's the formula, and then the other given information is that F equals 86. This is given. Then we're just going to substitute it in. We're substituting 86 in for F. So substitution property of equality. And then we have to just simplify this. So we're going to do the order of operations, which would mean we'd have to do those parentheses first. So 86 minus 32 would give us, what, 54? Yeah. And we can do that because we just simplified. That's the reason. And then from here, we have to do this multiplication. This is a fraction. We're going to make this a fraction. Is there any, whenever you're multiplying fractions, you look to cross cancel first. So are there any common factors between 9 and 54? Yes, 9. 9 goes into 9 one times. 9 goes into 54 6 times. Then we just multiply across, and C is equal to 30. And that would be simplifying. So if you got that right, awesome job. If not, go ahead and erase and make sure that yours looks exactly like mine. All right, we'll see you in a little bit for example 3.